Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need Power BI Desktop and SharePoint Online or SharePoint Server 2019. Confirm your Power BI version is up to date before starting. Sign in with the same Microsoft 365 account across Power BI and SharePoint. Check your SharePoint permissions for site and list access to prevent errors. Decide whether to connect to a SharePoint folder or a SharePoint list. Use SharePoint folder for file-based sources like Excel or CSV files. Use SharePoint list for structured, column-based data and metadata. Open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data then SharePoint folder. Use Get Data SharePoint folder and paste the site URL without trailing slash. Click Connect and authenticate with your Microsoft 365 credentials. Review the folder file list and choose Transform Data to open Power Query. Transform files in Power Query by combining binary content from file rows. Filter and expand columns to select specific Excel sheets or CSV content. Apply Close and Load to create your dataset and build visuals in the report canvas. To connect to a list, use Get Data and choose SharePoint Online List. Use Get Data SharePoint Online List and enter the full site URL, then connect. Select the list and click Transform Data to shape columns and rows. Map SharePoint columns to data types and apply transformations in Power Query. Rename columns, remove unwanted fields, and set data types before loading. Publish your report to the Power BI service using Publish from Power BI Desktop. Publish to Power BI service and set scheduled refresh with Gateway if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.